Okay, so for my anti-bias book, I chose this book. It's called The World Needs Who You Are Made to Be. It's literally my favorite book, and I get it for all my teacher friends because I love it so much. You can do like so many different things with it. Okay, so the book is about students that come from all different kind of cultures and backgrounds and different abilities. They have a girl in a wheelchair, girls with glasses, people with headphones on for to show like sensory or like auditory things, and it just goes to talk about how they all have one goal in mind, and that's to build a hot air balloon. But it kind of like talks about how they all do it differently, and that it's okay because in the end they all come together and still make the hot air balloon. And like one of my favorite pages says, some of us work alone and some of us work side by side. Some of us are quiet and like to think things through. And then it says, like, some of us are resourceful, we like to work with whatever's on hand, and some of us are extravagant. And then it just talks about how everybody's learning and that we all have something to learn from each other. And I think that's just a good book because students aren't all going to be the same and they aren't going to all learn the same. And so it's important for them to know that the way that they learn is unique and it's still, even though it's different from other people, it still serves a purpose and you are still contributing to the main goal. But I just think it's a really good book. And on one page it has like pictures of all the different students and they're all different like ethnicities and abilities, and yeah, it's just a really good book. It's one of my favorites.